Welcome to the Theosophical Society in America. I'm Barbara Hebert, the National President, and I'm grateful to have the opportunity to share with you some of the wonderful things that have been happening here at our national headquarters over the past month. Like many across the country, we have been waiting impatiently for spring. Clearly, Mother Nature has let us know who is in control. But I think that finally spring has arrived in northern Illinois. On what was perhaps one of the most beautiful days of the year, especially since the onset of winter, we scheduled a spring cleanup party to celebrate our portion of Earth Day. A number of the staff members and many volunteers came out to help clean up the 42 acres of park-like grounds that we all love.
We are cleaning up Olcott. We're cleaning up our beautiful grounds so that we can enjoy it all year round. It's a perfect time of year to do it. It's a gorgeous day and everybody's out helping.
Hey everyone, we're with Sustain DuPage. We're here at the national headquarters of the Theosophical Society in Wheaton, Illinois. We're doing a little bit of a volunteer cleanup day and we're cleaning up some leaves and we're so happy to be here. Thank you for having us.
It was a pleasure and a joy to work in a community setting with all of these people to make our grounds look even more beautiful than they already are. Of course, we've also had a number of talks and workshops throughout the last month, and I'd like to just bring a couple of them to your attention. Dr. Scott Kolbaba, who is actually a local physician, is well known as a medical doctor who has spoken with other medical professionals and gathered amazing stories that have been told to these doctors by their patients. A very spiritual and valuable talk. Another wonderful talk that we had was given by Rabbi Rami Shapiro, a strong interfaith rabbi. Dr. Shapiro spoke about holy rascals.
So what holy rascality is about is challenging that kind of religion. Wherever there's a religion that becomes the state religion, whether it's official or not, when the religion and nationality come together and they don't see a difference, you end up with very frightening things going on. So I call that kind of religion big religion. You know, like we talk about big pharma and big agriculture. Big religion. It's the brand name religions when they are all about scaring people. The way Holy Rascals pushes back on that is through humor, love, and laughter.
And finally, Dr. William Meader came and spoke about esoteric astrology, a fascinating talk.
Fundamentally, esoteric astrology is much more related to, or is useful to people that have actually had an awakening, to people that have an awakening to their higher promptings. Traditional astrology is very good when it comes to understanding the personality dimension of life. But once a person has come to that time in life or that particular incarnation where there's a deeper something being felt, a higher kind of love being felt, a recognition of a kind of selfless, almost Christ-like love. And it's at that point where we begin to see the usefulness of esoteric astrology.
All of these talks have been uploaded onto our YouTube channel and are available for you to watch on demand. As we move into May, our thoughts turn to Helena Petrovna Blavatsky, co-founder of the Theosophical Society in 1875. A remarkable woman. She died May 8, 1891. To commemorate and remember her amazing life, many theosophists across the world celebrate what is known as White Lotus Day on May 8th. We celebrated with a special meditation and readings from Light of Asia, the Bhagavad Gita, and Voice of the Silence. It is wonderful to remember this incredible woman and the heritage she has given to us. It is called White Lotus Day because of the symbolism inherent in the lotus. The lotus seed carries within it a miniature of the entire plant. The lotus plant grows out of the mud, through the water, and blossoms in the fresh air above the mucky water. In this material world, we strive always to reach the sunlight, to reach the air of spirituality and connection with that higher aspect of ourselves. I would also like to invite you to put on your calendar the dates for our Summer National Convention. It will begin on the evening of Friday, July 20th, and will continue through noon Tuesday, July 24th. It's a long weekend, so if you can come, it would require only taking off a few days from work. We have a fabulous lineup of speakers, including Dr. Connie Zweig, Jungian analyst and student of Eastern traditions for many, many years, Rabbi Rami Shapiro, Dr. Pablo Sender, longtime theosophist, well-known theosophical speaker, and current resident in Ojai, California at the Crotona Institute of Theosophy. Also speaking will be longtime theosophists Tom Ackersey and Susan Ackersey. They will speak about the creativity inherent in light and darkness. It's a great lineup of speakers. I hope you'll be here because there's nothing like meeting new friends who are truly old friends. However, if it's not possible for you to come, we will be recording it, streaming it live, and it will also be put up on YouTube after the conference. But don't let that dissuade you from attending in person. I hope you have a wonderful spring. Enjoy the beauty of the flowers and the trees, all that Mother Nature and our great mother, the earth, provide for us. I look forward to speaking with you again. Take care.